All we are asking the BJP is not to shut their eyes to a problem.
All the major cities have faced the same problem.
Actually, this is a countrywide issue, not just Delhi, but Delhi has it worse.
Hello, I am Ritik Singh from Newsgram, and today we are at the India Gate. Today, a lot of people have come out in the national capital, in the heart of the capital, to protest against the rising AQI in the capital. Today, in Delhi is recording more than 441 AQI in most of the areas of the city. Lot of people have gathered here today to protest against it. Since this protest has been called on, there has been a lot of criticism. Some people are saying it is politically affiliated. The people who are pro this protest, they are saying that they are gathering here just to, show their criticism against the government's policies and their failure to, control the air pollution. So let's talk to these people and see why they are here and what are the solutions they are proposing to the government to solve this rising air pollution issue. Here in the protest, I have Priyanka Kakkar. She is a spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party. And before the BJP government, AAP was in the power. So let's ask what is difference this time from the previous government and from the previous time what we faced in the winter. Okay. So how do you see the situation this winter?
See, the biggest problem with the BJP is that they are manipulating data. They're managing headline, public health emergency. They should be held accountable. They should tell us what steps they're doing. Every citizen wants clean air, and every government is ready to support the BJP government. But instead, they choose a path of falsehood yet again. They are manipulating data. They're sprinkling the AQI monitors to bring the reading down. This is not acceptable. One must treat this issue as utmost urgent and be held responsible and accountable for it.
My last question would be to you is since this protest has been called on, a lot of people from the pro BJP affiliations, they are saying that this protest has been organized or somehow affiliated by the AAP government or the AAP party. How do you respond to this? Because the organizers are again and again saying that it is completely a non-political protest. So how do you respond to this criticism?
I am here as a citizen of Delhi. So are you. And I think BJP should not engage in these frivolities and address the issue of pollution. When Aam Aadmi Party, for instance, was in the government, we ensured a 24/7, 365-day-year plan. Our efforts were even acknowledged by the central government in the parliament. All we are asking the BJP is not to shut their eyes to a problem.
Why do you think this kind of protest will work out? Because we face the same problem of pollution every year. Like it's around 10th or 12th year we are facing the same pollution problem. And every year we protest, we come gather together and try to put pressure on the government. And after the season ends, we move on and the next year we face the same problem. So what is your reason for being hopeful this time?
We cannot stop. It's the air that we are breathing. If we think that the government is not doing enough or the necessary steps are not being taken, we have to be here every year, each and every year. It's a life here. Nah? We cannot just back up and move on.
And since this protest has been called on, there are a lot of criticism which is going on social media that is some kind of politically motivated. How do you respond to these kind of criticisms?
People can say whatever they want. Even those people that are criticizing, their family members are facing, they are breathing the same air. I mean, the biggest thing this year has been like, first the cracker ban was lifted off, so the pollution rose a little bit more. Plus the schools, there are no advisory this time around. I know those small things don't help, but at least children can be in their home. There is no problem too big to solve, but yes, it's a mixture of both. Obviously, this time it's very evident that the political will is not here. But obviously, we as people also need to change our habits, or maybe cars, or there are so many.
It's a combination of things.
Yeah, it's a combination of things, and it's really is a big problem. It's not going to get solved in 1 or 2 years or something like that. But we have to be persistent. We at least need to see some action from the government side, because the common man doesn't have time in India to actively think about these things.
But we are the common people are the ones who are suffering the most.
Yes, exactly.
Air purifiers are not affordable to everyone.
Everyone in India cannot afford your filter. Maybe we can or somebody.
And everyone also doesn't have a luxury to work from home. They have to commute to office.
Yes, we are on the road every day, so that's why we are here.
There is a lack of political will to solve this problem.
There is a lack of political will, but there also comes the awareness of people. Like if For example, Diwali, if people stop burning crackers, that will be a one solution. For the farmers, if they stop burning their that crop, settle burning, that would be a solution. So that will come with the awareness of the people rather than the political solution. And again, political solutions influence it to some extent. There should be policies, and they are lacking these, like in implementing these policies as well.
Since you have come out in this AIQ and you're doing this protest, you have joined the protest. What are your single strong message to the lawmakers? What they should do to actually do something about this problem?
So the only agenda should be clean air. Like they should only go for AQI. If that is below 100, so that should be their target rather than anything else. No, like politics or anything. It's just about clean air, people surviving. Because here it's very hard to survive in this kind of environment. So it should be only about AQI, clean air, and that's it.
You've been in the government. What is the major policy change you want the BJP and the Rekha Gupta government to do right immediately?
Immediately, I would want them to ensure that the FGD, which is a mandatory technology for very polluting industries, which was mandatory by law, the central government removed that requirement. Experts say that if the industries around the NCR, the polluting industries around the NCR, if they incorporate the FGD technology, Delhi will see a 70% reduction in pollution. And the central government has gone ahead and removed this mandatory requirement. So I think immediate redressal is required for this. I think immediately we need to question why are you not able to provide 24/7 electricity, because when you get a disrupted supply of electricity, people are forced to use inverters and generators, which has started happening in Delhi, which wasn't in our government. So these issues.
I just want to say that at least the people should be aware that like something is going on. Like if we don't come here and don't speak up, don't say don't raise a voice, then it should spread all. Actually, this is a countrywide issue, not just Delhi, but Delhi has it worse. So I think at least people of Delhi should be aware, and this is also it will help highlight this issue and raise it to all the people around here so that they'll get aware, and they'll also maybe in next process protest will see more number and the government might do something about it.
So, on individual level, what are your concerns? Like on an individual day-to-day level, what are the problems you are facing because of air pollution? Is it affecting your health? Is it affecting the health of your family? And what is your single strong message to the people who can make something change about this problem? What is your single message to them?
Obviously the EQ is really high. Like I work from home, but I still feel it, right? I cannot go out. Yesterday I was outside for some shopping like for 4-5 hours, and when I came back my nose was like stuffy, and like my throat was like it was literally aching.
Okay, my last question to you is that just yesterday the Rekha Gupta government in Delhi has taken a decision that they will increase the working hours. They will decrease the working hour from half an hour just to avoid traffic congestion and pollution. So how do you see these kind of policy decisions which are taken to quote unquote solve the problem of pollution?
So I don't see any solution in them. Like they are very minor, like dent in the bigger problem. So actual problem is related to like the number of cars on the road, or maybe ban on the crackers we are burning on Diwali, or maybe stopping the farmers from burning their settle. So those are the bigger.
Combination of many things which led to this problem.
But
Okay.
the half an hour would not do anything in long run. It won't. We won't see any difference. Yeah.
So, are you hopeful about some policy change after this protest? And if a lot of people came together and gave some strong message to the government, do you see any policy change, or things will be as usual and we will move on and wait for the same pollution and same AIQ in the next year as well?
I'm hopeful, and I wish and I request government to implement and see other big cities, like all the major cities have faced the same problem. London, Beijing, or maybe New York, they have gone through the same situation, and they have implemented and solved the same problem. So why can't Delhi, as a like a capital of this nation, can't solve it? So I am definitely hopeful for that.
Thank you for talking.
Need to
And
be
what
made.
about the interstate coordination? Because BJP is still saying that stubble burning is still the major reason for this pollution. And in the Punjab we have a AAP government. So how is the coordination going on between Delhi and the AAP government?
See, this escapist attitude will not work. I think all governments must recognize, and they do. All governments except the BJP, they recognize that it is a national health emergency. That is why you will only see the BJP manipulating the data. This is not fair. We are ready to extend all help. Why won't we? We live in the city, we breathe the same air. But BJP should come out of their air purified environments and look at the reality.
You can see behind me all the protesters have gathered, and after 2 hours of long protest, now the police has asked them to move to Jantar Mantar. So you see a lot of people now moving out. But from the protest of 2 hours, this is very clear that lot of people came out in this protest just because they're concerned about the health hazard, about their family, and the impact this air pollution, this bad air quality is making on the people's lives. So a lot of people who have been criticized this protest because of being politically motivated, those claims have turned out to be totally false. All these people are those normal middle class people who are concerned about this hazardous problem which every Delite is facing. I am Ritik Singh from newsgram.com.